baby.
Oh, you kept me waiting. Why?
Sorry. Always busy doing something.
By the way, you look so sweet.
Thank you.
Wow,
all for you.
wow.
I miss you.
Yeah, I miss you, man. So what's up?
Not much. What time are we going?
I just want us to go and have some lunch.
Okay, so what time?
Now, of course. How do you think?
I don't want to go outside.
Why?
I want to go do something in town.
So are you rejecting what I'm saying or what?
No, baby. Okay, fine. Anything for you. Anything for you, baby.
Good evening.
Yes. What's up?
Please, who is she to you?
She's my girlfriend.
Hi.
Why? Is there any problem?
Offer any you.
My friend? What's it say?
Oh, no problem.
No, I heard you saying something.
She's your girlfriend?
Yeah, she's my girlfriend.
Hey!
I love her so much. Why?
This your girlfriend has been ranting over the food like a cow. She keeps talking like a communication minister in this Ghana. Hey!
My friend, repeat it again. You say what?
She's a talkative.
Talkative.
Yes.
I mean, I don't get it.
She keeps interfering in people's affairs in this hood. She keeps ranting in the hood like a cow and its owner. I don't know what's wrong with this girl.
Okay, now I see.
You see?
So,
hey, Auntie.
Are you why?
What do you know why?
Why?
What's why?
What's the meaning of what you're doing?
What am I doing? I'm just saying your problem to your girlfriend. What you've been doing.
Haven't I been telling the truth?
Truth about what?
Truth about what you are doing.
Hey. So what are you saying? Say it again.
By you, what's wrong? What's wrong with you?
What do you
Am
mean?
I lying?
I'm not. You're...
Whatever I'm saying, am I lying? Babe, hold it for me. Babe, hold it. Haven't I been telling you the truth?
I said it.
You've been cheating on your girlfriend. Somebody who has been buying you food. Somebody who has been feeding you morning, evening. And he buys you food.
I want to buy you.
Me, I want to buy it.
You don't even
Me, I want to buy it you.
Your boyfriend
Me, I want to buy it you. Me.
Your boyfriend is
If you don't stop what you are doing.
Okay, you see your wife?
Oh, please.
You see this your girlfriend?
So.
What do you mean,
so you are cheating on somebody. I'm talking to you.
You see her life?
You this boy. You.
What have I done?
You.
What's me?
Okay.
You will see. I will show you.
That's what you want, right? And you see in this wood. Me and you. Me and you. Me and you in this wood.
You will be definition of a fool.
You. Me and you.
Oh!
You.
I spoil your day.
You spoil my day.
Yes.
You spoil my day.
Yes.
Somebody who a lady has been feeding you. You call yourself a man. You call yourself a man. You are nobody like a pig. You.
I'm what? He said I'm what? Sheep goat.
You.
What's you?
You.
Yeah, me. Sheep goat.
In fact, I don't know what to tell you now. And I don't have your time now.
You see, you know stressed off.
I don't have your time now. You know what I'll do to you?
You're into stress.
You know what I'll do to you in this
town?
You don't know
what
you know what I'll do to you in this hood. Me and you.
What
this hood can't carry us.
What you going to do? Eh? Lucia,
Yeah.
thanks for coming in.
Anyway, that's okay.
You look tensed. Is there a problem?
No. I just
Don't worry.
there's nothing to
Lucia, I have some important thing to tell you.
like. What's important that you have to tell me?
I want to say genuinely I like you. And then I think I should channel my time and energy for you. Can we be besties?
Are you serious? You want me to be your bestie?
Yeah, sure.
Like, are you for real?
Yes, I'm damn serious.
I don't want any problems. I don't want issues. Last time I saw you with your... Was it
My
your
sister.
sister or
That's my
whatever?
sister. Yeah.
That's what you claim.
No, that's my
Like,
sister.
and you're already my boyfriend's friend, so I don't know if it's going to be cool.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. Just besties.
I hope it won't put me into any trouble.
No.
Are you sure?
No, I'm sure.
Anyway, that's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The pleasure is mine. So, okay. That's it.
Anyway, we'll see you.
See you. Come, let's go. Portia! Come, let's go. Portia!
Hello? 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 Please, I want to talk to you. Hey. Baby, I'm finished. Hey. What should I do? Hey! Hey!
My baby Jojo.
Hi, George.
Hey, Posh. Everything nice?
George. Why? You didn't see me or what?
You said what?
Why? You didn't see me or what?
I saw you, Portia. I thought you were around to like, no, you're in a hurry, so like, I don't want to waste your time.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good.
Alright. So like, then I'll take my leave. Alright, so Posh, you will surely meet again, okay? Jojo.
George. It's me, oh, Portia.
Yeah, you know it's you, babe. Are you okay?
I can see you busy. But
Yeah.
can I have your ticket so I can test or call you later?
Are you funny?
George,
Sorry, I'm not having a phone. I'm not having fun, you know. Are you done? Can I take my leave?
You're not having
Yeah,
fun.
I'm not having a phone and I'm in a hurry to please. Okay, you see, you heard like something blinking, right? Something blinking on my phone. So let me give you my contact. Sorry, like, I was lying. 0546
556.
29 69 90. All right, okay. So
296.
I'll take my leave. Okay, push. Bye bye.
Okay, George, have a nice day.
Say to you, baby.
Why is this guy giving me attitude?
Portia. Portia, are you okay? What is wrong? Huh? Portia, talk to me.
I'm fine.
No, you're not fine. You are crying and you're telling me you are fine. Debbie, you're not fine, baby.
I'm fine.
Portia, talk to me. What is the problem? Huh? Posh, I'm talking to you. What is it? Huh? Come here. Come here. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. What is wrong? What is it? Talk to me. Hmm? Or you can't talk outside. Huh? What is it? Talk to me now, Portia. Who they disturb you? Like who they worry? You just tell me. What is it? Tell me. Are you okay? Huh? Posh. Okay, fine.
It's a personal issue.
What? Personal issue. But then personal issue outside here sharing tears is not nice.
No, I wasn't crying.
You come on. So are you not telling me, Portia, am I crutch or what? Am I kindergarten or what? Now, right now, Portia, you're trying to tell me something a kid though. I don't know the difference between tears and smiling. You are here crying, you're telling me you are not crying. You are fine. Huh? You know something? Here is outside, okay? And it's not nice to be sharing tears outside. You are a big girl. You feel me? So let me escort you to the house, okay? Let me escort you to the house, like we can talk over there, okay? Are you okay now? I'm talking to you. Okay, calm down. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I was coming to visit a friend, but I think I'll do that later. Okay, so let's go. Take the lead. Sorry. Take it easy. Are you okay? Beautiful. What's chewing you? Tell me, you're not okay. Posh. I know there is a problem. Okay, feel free. Posh.
I said it's for you.
Oh, God. Beautiful girl like you shouldn't be crying outside. You understand? And then I get hurt, to see you cry. You feel me? Because the love that I have for you is something different. something extraordinary. So like I don't want.
Are you going to escort me?
Sorry, I'm escorting. Sorry, I'm not talking again, please. Sorry.
Hi.
Hey.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm good and
I'm fine.
I'm good.
You know, the sun is really hot.
Yeah.
Okay. You said you have something to tell me, so what's the problem?
It's not any big deal. Guy been there past some more time, so I have to let you know. And you know I love you. I don't want to do anything behind you.
Guy be the pass more tata.
Yeah.
And who's that?
He said his name is George. Yeah.
George.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, and what have you done about it?
Me, I told him I'm dating, but he's still worrying me, so I have to tell you.
Alright, it's not a problem, okay?
Okay.
Anyway, thanks for telling me. Thanks for letting me know.
Okay.
I'll know what to do, okay? But it's your own decision. Alright? No one can question you if you still want to move with him.
No. And I've decided you already, so why would I go for him again?
Okay? If you love me, I love you too. Okay? I don't want to have any issues with you, and I don't want you to be walking around with any man. Alright? So, as I said, it's your own decision. If you feel or if you wish to work with a guy, that's your own problem. And no one can question you about that. Alright?
It's you that I love.
Okay, I got you. Okay. So is that the reason why you called me on phone? And baby, I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you.
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry. Alright. When I see him, I'll talk to him. Alright. Okay. Let me. Alright. You know, I have to go.
Then let me.
No, don't worry. I'm going to do something very, very quick, okay?
Thanks for coming in.
I hope you're cool.
Yes, I'm good. You too?
I'm fine, thank you. Yeah, what's up? You said
Yeah, we are waiting for my friend.
your friend.
Yeah, you will soon be here.
Why is it that your bestie?
Yeah, that's my best friend.
Wow. Anyway, that's cool. I hope it won't take that long.
No.
Okay, sure. Okay, guy. Yeah, I like your hairstyle.
Oh, thank you.
It's
Yeah.
nice.
There he comes. My guy.
Yo,
Don't go check.
I'm boy Nana. Yo, what's up, bro?
Okay, good.
Yeah. So what's happening?
It's about what I told you the other time.
Oh, I see.
That's my bestie, my friend. See ya.
Yeah.
Meet my friend. Steve.
Oh. Hi.
Hi.
What's the problem? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Steve, you don't look happy for me, eh?
Oh, I'm okay. Bro.
Sure.
I'm okay. That's me. I'm okay. Yeah,
bro.
I'm okay. Babe.
You cool?
Yeah, I'm fine. Actually, you see, I have to rush.
What's the rush?
I have to go and fix something at home. So I just have to go.
So what about the food? Should I bring it or you come give it?
What we'll do is, okay, you bring it home.
Should bring it home?
Yeah.
But are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. We'll talk later. Yeah.
My guy.
Yo,
What do you want with this girl?
I don't know.
He said we see you she rush.
I don't know when I was being great here, she don't like. She doesn't want to have pictures. You know, but I don't know what's wrong.
She's fine.
She's okay. She's cool. She's fine.
Oh, wow. That's my friend. I really like her.
You like her? Wow.
As in friends.
Oh,
Whoa, tell her that.
I see. Then she's okay.
Yeah, make you go. At least you have nothing.
I shock self, you know. I'm beating her. You don't want to.
I don't want to beat you.
Have you seen her for not so long, or maybe you just met her?
I think 2 weeks. 2 weeks now.
So you really like her?
Oh, we are just besties. We're just besties.
Hello, my God.
Boss. Gifty, I'm talking to you.
Who is Gifty?
Gifty, you don't know me.
Who are you?
Gifty, what do you mean? Who am I?
I don't know you. Who are you?
Gifty, you've made me.
Who is that?
No, wait. What's going on here?
She's my girlfriend.
She's your what?
My girlfriend.
You said I'm your girlfriend. I'm your girlfriend.
Hey, please. Listen. What is going on here? Hey, do you know him?
I don't know him.
So, gentleman, why are you saying she's your girlfriend?
Do you know me?
Listen. I'm warning you today. I don't want to see you close or near my girlfriend again. Do you understand? Do you know how long I've been with her? Huh? Shut the fuck up! I'm talking and you're talking. How dare you? I said I don't want to see you close near to my girlfriend again. Do you understand what I mean? Do you understand? Now get the fuck up! My friend, go!
Let's go.
Nonsense. Hey, wait. Hey.
I don't know
listen.
him. I don't know him.
Are you sure?
Let's forget about him. I don't know him.
If I find out,
said I
listen
don't
to
know
me.
him.
If I find out that there's something going on between him and you, I swear, you know me.
Okay. Now, Fred, let's go.
Alright.
How are the love you now? So me I be gangster. Way if I start the love you are making no venture, baby. You see that Kim Paletta recently song where you release, you know, that pick track, you know. I swear the thing is sweet me. He say, oh, I pick it, I did I pick it. Hey, shake it, mommy. Hey.
And you know
Oh,
something.
was beautiful. Yes.
Thank you. I'm very sorry. I was behaving like that. That attitude was coming from my boyfriend, you know. I really loved him and I was into him, so I didn't want anybody to come between us.
Okay.
That's the reason why I was behaving like that.
You know something like, you know, it's not a big deal, and I really love it that way. You know, so second, may I believe say that attitude they give me, you know, same attitude is something they give others for outside, because as you say, if you the lover, you be loyal woman.
Me,
When you joke with your
I tell you that I love you. It's from here, not
seriously,
from here.
seriously.
Now the way I do love you, man.
Yeah.
I don't go fit to like the way. You know what I'm saying? I told her, I you don't have to
Make
say.
her sing this one, give you. Listen. She don't want designer.
Hey.
She don't want Ferrari. She say now my love, oh, you belong to me and I belong to her. Oh. Hey, baby, you don't killing somebody. Hey, they say love's blind, but I can see you for your eyes. Oh, for your eyes. Oh, you are beautiful. I bless the very day that I met you, baby. I can't make it without you. I can't do it without you. I love you.